Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the e-classes now. We'll continue our lessons about Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. We were talking about yesterday, man's goodness is a flame and it cannot be extinguished. So, we have talked about no one is born hating one another. So, we also talked about we must learn how to love. So today we'll talk about some points are given over here, 5. Further we'll continue our lesson. According to Mandela, every man has twin obligation in life. Each and every man has got twin means two, obligation means duty, farz. Every man has twin obligation. Which obligation he was talking about? What he wants to tell us? Let's see. These twin obligations are given here, A and B. Number A, obligation to his family, a duty towards his family, parents, his wife, children, and so on. You have a duty towards your parents. You have a duty as a brother. Suppose if a person is married, he has a duty or responsibilities towards his family, children, parents. That's an obligation, duty or responsibilities. Every man has twin obligation. One is an obligation, responsibility or duty to his family, parents, and his wife and children. One. Second, an obligation, a responsibility or a duty to his people, community, and his country. So twin obligation Mandela mentions here. He mentioned over here twin obligation, and we have to learn what were those twin obligations. An obligation or a responsibility towards his family members, parents, and the next one is towards his people, community, and the country. Now we'll talk about number 2. Each man is able to fulfill those obligations. These obligations every person can fulfill according to his interests and abilities. According to his abilities or interests, he can fulfill these obligations as a family member or as a citizen. But here in South Africa, Mandela said, but here in South Africa it was quite impossible to fulfill both these obligations. In South Africa, as the dark-skinned people or the Africans were treated harshly, they were suppressed, racial government was there, so naturally it was quite impossible to fulfill both these obligations in South Africa. A man of color means South Africans, a dark skin color. A man of color who tried to live as a human being. Whoever in South Africa tries to live like a human being or as a human being, he was punished or isolated. Either he was punished or he was isolated. Isolated means put into prison. Because the white-skinned people or the Europeans did not want this to happen. They wanted those Africans to live like savages or live like animals, whatever they did not want to treat them like human beings. If they live like human beings, they will be equal with white-skinned people. They did not want. So that's why it is called a racial government or an apartheid. So now we'll talk about number 4 point. Whoever tried to fulfill his duty to his people as a citizen, whoever tries to fulfill his obligation or responsibility as a good citizen or to his people was forcefully, jante ho, you know it, jabardasti, by force, ripped means separated, ripped from his family. How this? Suppose if a person in South Africa wanted to fulfill the responsibility as a good citizen and wanted to help his people and raise a voice against the injustice done to them, he had to be he had to run away from his family. If he stays with the family, he will be caught and imprisoned. So he had to run away. Always he is on the run. So naturally he was ripped away from his family. He cannot live with the family members. He has to run away all the time, hide from the white-skinned people. So whoever tried to fulfill his duty to his people was forcefully ripped away from his family. He had to be separated from his family. He cannot live with the family. He had to run away all the time, hide from the superiors or the white-skinned people, and prevented a person from fulfilling his obligation as a son, brother, father, or a husband. How can he fulfill the responsibility as a son, as a father, or as a husband when he is always on the run? Because he cannot live in the house. The police will come and catch him and arrest him. So he had to run away all the time. How can he fulfill the obligation as a responsibility as a son or a father or a husband? So that is the thing. In South Africa, it was quite impossible to fulfill both the obligation. Means this. Mandela said again, I was not born with a hunger to be free. Mandela says that I was not born with a hunger to be free, because I was born free. Every human being is born free. We don't have the hunger to be free. We are free. So he mentions some more. It will be continued in our next class. So right now you copy this out. Tell your friends also to go through this website, because many of the students are not paying any attention. They are just ignoring or just passing their time, or maybe watching the videos or watching the songs or films. They must use that use their internet for learning, because the class is going on. Once the classes starts, we'll continue further. We cannot start from the beginning. It will be too late. So tell your friends to go through all these things. Use your net pack wisely. If you want to copy this from the video, you can pause it or take the screenshot, and you can note down while you are in the offline. But online, you must learn and listen when I'm telling you or explaining you. Online, you can listen for the explanation. For copying, you can pause or you can take the screenshot and you can copy or note down these points. It will help you a great deal. So you don't have to memorize all the question answer. Once you know these things, you are able to answer. So that's all for today. Now we'll meet in the next class. Tell your friends to go through this all, because many of the students, they are not going through this. I can see how many students have viewed this. So you can see that it will help you. Now I don't have to tell you all these things. You are a grown up, you are a senior student. You know very well how to use your time. You know it. So now these are the things today we have done, and in our next class we will continue about this, about I was born with a hunger, not born with a hunger to be free, and I was born free. And what more he said, what he wants us to learn. So he wanted to tell us the reality or the facts. So that's all now for today. Thank you for watching the video clip, and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.